evening, Kim. Shannon Coward here at Tameron Hyundai in the heart of Hoover, Alabama. You inquired about the Santa Fe Sport. Didn't specify color or trim package, no worries. We'll funnel that down whenever you and I meet, but this is just going to give you a brief overview of the car. Now, as you come down, you're going to notice the beautiful fluidic body sculpture that Hyundai introduced on all of our automobiles. You've got the very sporty alloy wheels. Now, as you come through the back, there is ample room for 3 passengers. Up on the steering wheel, for safety and convenience, you've got your radio controls, Bluetooth, I pair your phone before you drive off the lot. Cruise control, the buttons here actually toggle through the back display, keeping everything at your fingertips. This has CD player, it's got backup camera, AM, FM, XM satellite radio, is free for 90 days, auxiliary, USB. It's got several other amenities as well. But the most important thing about this is the America's Best warranty. You have a 10-year, 100,000 mile on the powertrain. If that's not good enough, Tameron, the dealership, adds another 100,000 to make it 200,000 miles or 20 years, whichever comes first. You have a 5-year or 60,000 mile new vehicle warranty, 7-year anti-corrosion, and a 5-year roadside assistance. My name is Shannon Coward. I'm your personal sales associate assigned just to you. The number here at the dealership, 205-380-6250, or you may reach me on my personal cell at 205-907-4700. Here at Tameron Hyundai, you're going to love the way you're treated. I look forward to meeting with you and working with you soon. Thank you.